Hey folks, whatever you do, don't be hitting the bird now. You know, you maybe don't like birds, but they can cause you a lot of damage. As you can see, the front of this Pacifica, and there's a hole in the coolant line. Looks to me like that's, it smells like transmission fluid. So that poor little seagull, gonna be a costly little mess here. Upon a closer inspection, it looks like the transmission cooler has a hole. Well, there is the new transmission cooler going in. It's about a 4-hour job. It costs a few dollars. Not 100% sure what the oil cooler, the transmission cooler cost, but it is what it is.